Hello and welcome to an Idiot Cooks Mars bar cake. Right, so I've got the ingredients here and all you're going to need is Morrison's rice crackles, dairy milk chocolate and Mars bars, obviously. Right, let's cook this thing. Just wash me hands. Right, so now, open the Mars bars. You're gonna chop all them up because if there's less surface area, then they're gonna melt quicker. Very good bit of science there.
Why are you using a cheese knife?
Because I like cheese. Right. Oh well, that missed, didn't it? So you got to put everything in here. I just added a bit of butter just to, like, I don't know, make it better. Right, so you're going to put that on top of some boiling water and put a bit of syrup in, and then it should be like it should like melt and stuff because of the heat. Oh, look at that, there you go. Very nice. Oh well, what's that? Oh fuck, it's doing something. It's making noises. What the bloody hell's going on? Oh, it's not happy. So it's kind of starting to melt now. It looks a bit like a turd, so that's kind of how you want it. Alright, so you're going to add your Morrison's rice crackles now. Like that. There you go. That's good. Look at that. Right, so, fuck, that's hot. Right, you're just going to put this in the tray, okay? Fucking get off the spoon. There you go. So once you've done that, you need to put it in the fridge so it can simmer down. Right. So, now that it's cooled down a bit in the fridge, you're just going to break your chocolate up, if I can get the thing open. There you go, right. So you're just going to break up your chocolate and put it in a bowl. And then you're going to do what you did before and just let it melt over boiling water. Great work. That. Very nice. It's not very thick. I probably need to make more of it. But it's very tasty. I think that's the main thing that you've got to have with a Mars bar cake. It's got to be tasty. So this has been quite successful compared to some of the things that I do. So yeah, it's quite nice. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Fucking camera stand. Right. See ya.